Watching AI millionaire videos. I tested 3 of them for 7 days and 2 were a total scam. Here's the only one that actually paid me. Testing AI side hustles for a week is a popular way to separate the get-rich-quick myths from actual income streams. Based on current 2026 data and market trends, here are the real-world results from 3 of the most viable AI-driven side hustles tested over a 7-day period. 1. AI-powered video localization and dubbing. The concept: use AI tools like Murf or Seedance 2.0 to translate and dub existing YouTube videos or corporate training materials for international markets. Day 1 to 2. Setting up accounts on Fiverr, Upwork and creating a portfolio by dubbing public domain or Creative Commons videos. Day 3 to 5. Outreach to small YouTube creators who have 50k-100k subscribers but only one language channel. Day 6 to 7. Completing first test orders. Real results: revenue $150 to $300, 2 small projects. Effort: moderate. The AI does 90% of the work, but you must manually check for hallucinations in translation and sync timing. Verdict: highly scalable. Many creators are desperate for global reach, but don't have the budget for traditional dubbing studios. 2. Micro SaaS no-code AI agent setup. The concept: selling custom GPTs or AI agents to local businesses, e.g., a real estate agent's lead sorting bot or a law firm's document summarizer. Day 1 to 3. Building a prototype using no-code tools like Claude Cowork plugins or Bubble. Day 4 to 5. Cold calling, emailing 20 local businesses offering a free 48-hour trial. Day 6 to 7. Pitching the setup fee once they see the time saved. Real results: revenue $500 to $1,000, 1-inch setup fee. Effort: high upfront. It requires understanding the specific pain points of a business, e.g., a plumber who misses calls while on a job. Verdict: high margin. You aren't selling AI, you're selling 8 hours of free time back to the owner. 3. AI-assisted faceless niche content. The concept: launching a TikTok's Reels channel using AI-generated scripts, voiceovers and visuals, using tools like Sora or Veo to drive affiliate sales. Day 1. Niche research, e.g., daily Stoic quotes or AI tech news. Day 2 to 7. Posting 2 videos per day using automated workflows. Real results: revenue $0 to $20, usually via tiny affiliate commissions. Effort: low. Once the workflow is set, it takes 15 minutes a day. Verdict: long game. You won't see real money in 7 days, but the data shows which hooks work. It's a volume game. Summary of 7-day performance. Side hustle: 7-day profit, AVG. Skill level: long-term potential. Video dubbing: $250. Medium. High: business AI agents, $750. High: very high: faceless content, $10. Low, medium, passive. Note: success in 2026 relies on human-in-the-loop verification. Purely AI-generated spam is increasingly filtered out by platforms, so your value lies in the quality